Hello everyone. Today our topic is induction motor. So I have taken this water pump and taken out the cores of this water pump. Okay. And we are having a simple setup. We will place the utensil like this, which is free to rotate. Okay. And we will switch on the pump here. Now we will place a nail to the tangent of this utensil so that torque is produced and the utensil will rotate. Now I have taken this nail. You can hear the sound, humming sound, because of alternating magnetic field. Okay. Now I will place the nail at the tangent of this container. You can see the utensil is rotating. So this is the principle of induction motor. Okay. So this is the simple principle of an induction motor.